we're gonna make a fun version of chicken cordon bleu that we're gonna do it all on the grill. I have 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I've already cut in half. They were a little bit thick. So all I'm gonna do now is just pound them out thin. I just want them to be the same thickness all the way through so they cook evenly on the grill. And it should only take, once they're thin enough, about 2 minutes per side. I always fight with this stuff. I don't know if you guys do too, but I love it, but I fight with it. So again, just gonna pound this nice and thin. It's great, you had a day at work, take out a little aggression, right? Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna do this for the other 5, get them nice and even. Then I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil on both sides, a little salt and pepper. We're gonna get them on the grill. Okay, so I got all the chicken all pounded nice and thin. Just gonna add a little bit of olive oil on top. Kind of zhuzh it around a little bit. I'm gonna add some salt. And don't be afraid to salt, your things. And, obviously, unless you have some medical reason why you can't have it, but it really just does add flavor. A little bit of black pepper. Always good. And tonight we're just gonna do my play on the chicken cordon bleu, but we're gonna grill it. It's really yummy, super fast. The other thing too is you can buy like thin cutlets. Of course you pay a little bit more because they're kind of already thinned out for you. I'm just a little bit cheap, so I don't mind doing it myself. But if you want to save some time, do that. It'll save you a few minutes on the prep. Just gonna add a little salt and pepper, both sides. And then I'm gonna make a little herb oil to go on top. So I always have fresh herbs on hand, and I bring them home and I just kind of wash them right away. And I'm gonna make a parsley and basil with a little bit of lemon juice and olive oil. It's gonna be fabulous. Okay, a little bit more pepper. All right, they're looking ready for the grill. Okay, let's make our oil. So I've got some basil, and it's just the 2 of us, so I'm not making a huge amount of this. And I'm just gonna rip the parsley. I don't care if it has stems in there. It's all gonna add to the flavor. Boy, we can work on those muscles a little bit, huh? Okay, pull that off a little bit. Okay, that looks about right, about half and half. I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of lemon juice. This is just half a lemon, like a good two tablespoons in there. You could add, if you don't have lemon juice, you could add red wine vinegar, rice wine vinegar, anything like that would do. A little bit of oil to get it going. A lot of oil, should be good. And then I'm gonna add, of course, a little bit of salt. Just to add, and just a tiny bit of pepper in there. Okay, we're gonna whiz it on up and see what happens. That smells so good. Just gonna see if it needs any lemon or salt or pepper. Actually, that's perfect. So I'm gonna leave it just as is, and that's gonna go over the top of our chicken. All right, grill's hot and ready to go. These will take just about 2 minutes per side, and they'll be cooked through. About 2 minutes, I'm gonna give them a flip. Okay, it's time for a flip. Looks awesome. All right, gonna give it another couple minutes. Ooh, the smoke got me a little bit. Okay. Gonna give it just a couple more minutes on this side, then we're gonna add our cheese and our ham. Be ready to eat. Okay, chicken is ready. Just gonna add a little cheese on here. Like that. This one I think I'm actually going to fold in half. I'll make it up. It'll go like that. We don't want to waste it, right? And then we're going to put a little bit of ham on top. And this is just a Black Forest deli ham. You could use prosciutto, would be amazing. Okay, I'm just going to shut this off. And I'm going to close the hood And just give it about a minute for everything to get the cheese to get all melty, and we're gonna be ready to eat. Delicious. All right, who's ready to eat? This looks amazing. All right, I have to say, I am quite hungry today. Worked out at the gym at school today, fabulous. Get myself back on track. So I am ready. But I have to remember though, just because I'm working out doesn't mean I can consume more calories, right? I like to think that's true, but it's not. All right, we are ready to eat. Okay, so this is my version of a grilled chicken cordon bleu with a little herb oil on top. And I made a Brussels sprout salad, and I'm actually gonna give you a link to that. I hope you enjoy this. I think you're gonna love it. Please comment, subscribe. All right, enjoy.